Let's Learn This Song by The Killers called When You Were Young. We're doing it with the capo on the 4th fret. We're not playing it like the band. This is like if you want to just perform it solo. Or if you were like the lead singer and you were just kind of playing the rhythm guitar. You sit there in the heartache, waiting on some beautiful boy to save you from your old ways. You play forgiveness, watching now. Here he comes, he doesn't look a thing like Jesus, but he talks like a gentleman, like you imagine when you were young. This is the bridge. Tell us water ain't so sweet, but you don't have to drink right now, but you can dip your feet every once in a while. Alright, let's run through this real quick. C is the key when you're playing it with the capo. Really it's E, but we're going to talk about everything in relation to the capo. C, and then to play that chord, I was just placing my B, my finger on the B string at the 3rd fret. Then you can pull off too. D, E minor, G, C. That's so 90% of the song. C, D, E minor, G, and back to C. It's like, and then the refrain is where we're at the end of the second verse. They repeat when you were young. That's just played over the same chord progression. You were young. And then there's the walk downs they do in the middle and the end. It's first one is based on C and the second one is based on G. So the first half is C, B in the bass over C, A minor 7. That's like 1, 2, 3. And then the next part is based on G. This is played like 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just playing. Just hit like the G, and then you climb down F sharp, E, and you're not playing chords there. You're just kind of, and then D. All together. And the bridge is A minor, the devil's water, it goes to C. The second line, you don't have to drink right now. And then for the third line, I play the E minor 7, which is just your E minor without your ring finger. You're muting the A string. So A minor, C, E minor 7, and then the next time we go to the E minor. You can dip your feet, and that ends on D. Every once in a while. All right, have fun playing that one. Thanks.